Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a brand that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. This brand originates from Denmark and was founded in 2004. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Zenvo, Zenvo, Zenvo. An interesting fact about Zenvo is that it specializes in high-performance supercars, with models like the Zenvo ST1 and TSR showcasing impressive speed and cutting-edge technology. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.